Welcome students. We are going to start the very first chapter of 10th standard, that is a linear equation in two variables. So linear equation in two variable. Now in the previous standard we have learned about equation. Again we will learn that is what is equation and what is linear equation, and then what is a linear equations in two variables. So let us understand first that is what is mean by equation. Now any mathematical statement having at least one variable with an equal to sign is said to be an equation. So any mathematical statement having at least one variable with an equal to sign is said to be an equation. Now let us understand this by some of the examples. Now x equal to 3, x plus y equal to 9, y square plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, 4x cube plus x plus 2 equal to 0. Now if you observe, these all are the examples of equation. In each of the equation we have at least one variable, it can be x or y, and with an equal to sign. So these all are the examples of equation. Now next thing, that is linear equation. Now equation having degree as a 1. Degree means maximum index. So an equation having maximum index as a 1 is said to be linear equation. Again understand by some of the examples. X equal to 3, x plus y equal to 9. Now in these two examples you can see that the maximum index in the first equation, the power of the x is 1, the maximum index is 1. In the second equation, the power of both variables x and y is equal to 1. So these equations are said to be linear equation. Now let us understand what do you understand by linear equation in two variables. So equation having two variables and degree of each term with the variable is 1. Equation having two variables and degree of each term with the variable is 1. That is said to be linear equation in two variables. So let us understand by some of the examples. Now x plus y equal to 9, 3x plus 5y equal to 0, 4a minus 6b equal to 8, 2x equal to y plus 1. Now in each of the examples you can see there are two variables x, y, a, b, and the degree of each term. Each term means you have to understand here. Now see the second example, 3x plus 5y equal to 0. 3x is a one term, 5y is a one term. So the degree of that term should be equal to 1. Okay. So each of the examples are said to be linear equation in two variables. Now let us understand what is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Now every equation has its own standard form. Now let us see. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is a standard form of linear equation in two variables. Now you can see here ax plus by plus c equal to 0. We have two variables x and y. Now here a is said to be coefficient of x, b is said to be coefficient of y, and c is a constant term that is equal to 0. So this is a standard form of linear equation in two variables. Now some more thing you have to understand. Keep in this standard form here where A, B, C are real numbers. Now it is very important, that is A, B, C should be a real numbers, and A, B are not equal to 0. That means A is not equal to 0 and B is not equal to 0. Now why it is given not equal to 0? Suppose it becomes equal to 0. If suppose I say A is equal to 0 and we replace A as a 0 in the standard form, so what happens? The first term Ax will go and what remains? By plus C equal to 0. That means two variables, that is gone. Understood? So A should be not equal to 0 and B should be not equal to 0. Now what is real number? You are learn in 9th standard. What is real number? Real number is all rational numbers and irrational numbers are real numbers. All the numbers which are rational and which are irrational are said to be real numbers. Okay. Now next one, simultaneous linear equation. Now what do you mean by this? Two linear equations in two variables at the same time are called as a simultaneous equation. That means if you are given two examples of linear equation, two variables at the same time, okay, so that is referred as simultaneous equation. Now this you are going to understand in the sums. Okay. Second one, solution of simultaneous equation, that is the values of two variables which satisfies the given equation, that is given same simultaneous equation. That is solution means the values of the two variables, it can be x and y or a and b, anything, such values which satisfies means the left hand side and right hand side will be equal. Okay. Now these two things you will understand more when we will solve the sums. Okay. So we will discuss again. Now methods of solving simultaneous equation. Now this is very important, methods which we are going to learn in this chapter. Very first method is elimination method. Now elimination method we have learned in 9th also. Then is substitution method. So these two methods we have already learned, but then also in 10th we are going to learn one more time. There is determinant method. Determinant method we are going to learn these years. Cramer's rule, that is a other name for that determinant method. And one more, that is a graphical method. So these four methods we are going to learn in the 10th standard. Okay. Now sums based on this method we will going to learn in the next upcoming video. Thank you.